friends, welcome back to my channel Abhi's Beauty Hack. In today's video, I'm going to share with you a complete review of two products which are widely sold in Indian market, which is the Dermaco Niacinamide Serum and Mamaearth Skin Correct Face Serum. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video. So these are the two products which I have told you. One is the Dermaco and this is from Mamaearth. So firstly, this is the packaging. This is the 30 ml packaging of both. You could see the 30 ml of Dermaco 10% niacinamide serum costs, can you see, it's $5.99. okay, the same 30 ml skin correct face serum with niacinamide and ginger extract serum costs you the same $5.99. so the price is not a factor here. Mamaearth is an Indian product which is purely paraben and silicone free, and it'll suit all skin types and so on. We know everything. The same from Dermaco. This is a face serum which is sulfate free, dye free, mineral oil free and paraben free. Now let's get into with the ingredients. So here, if you compare the ingredients with, you could see almost 75% of the ingredients are same to same in both the products. Purified water, niacinamide, propyl glycol, sorry. So similarly, everything, it has fragrance. This also contains fragrance. This contains one additional ingredient which is the ginger extract, and this does not contain any ginger extract. Okay, so that will be the only difference in both the ingredients. Otherwise, the same quantity, same price, everything will be same to same. Now let's see how is the packaging inside. So first we'll go with Dermaco. See, this is the 30 ml package of 10% niacinamide serum. Now with Mamaearth, this is the 30 ml packaging of Mamaearth serum. So both same. So what niacinamide and ginger extract serum promises us is it reduces acne marks and it improves skin texture. So this is the promise made by Mamaearth. So what does this promise us to do? So the Dermaco, it says that this product is the ultimate solution for reducing acne marks and controlling the sebum production. So it corrects your acne scars. So this is what they have mentioned. So both are the same. So now they have mentioned the main ingredient here is, that is a common ingredient here is niacinamide. Niacinamide is nothing but it is a form of vitamin B3 which is usually found in the animal based product which is used to cure. It is a form of vitamin B3, okay. It is used to cure any skin concerns like acne scars, rosacea and any other skin concerns, okay. And why have they used an additional ingredient, ginger, here? We all know that how ginger is highly beneficial for our skin, our body and whatnot, your hair, everything. We can use ginger is a great ingredient for all parts of your body, okay. So similarly, ginger is used in most skincare products because it has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties which preserves your skin collagen and it fades away any scars and soothes any irritated skin, okay. If you have any skin irritation, ginger highly heals it. So that is the main purpose of ginger. So they have added ginger extract in this serum. And about the product, first we'll go on with Mamaearth.
So I have almost completed, okay, the product I have almost completed it. Only a few will be left over.
So this is the consistency of Mamaearth serum.
Now the Dermaco. So this is the Dermaco. So
even in the texture, we have no difference in both the products. Since it's over, you can see the air bubbles forming up, or else this would be also in the same consistency. The smell, the fragrance is also around similar in both, but in this Mamaearth you can feel some ginger extract smell because it is added to that. Otherwise, both the smells, both the fragrances are heavenly. They are in the consistency of a perfect serum. They blend well onto your skin. They actually do what they have meant for, okay. They really, it fades away. You couldn't see the difference because both blend well easily. They are in the texture same, they are for the same purpose actually, okay. So that's what I wanted to share with you. Both are the same, so you don't want to confuse yourself while purchasing. both, because the price, the ingredients mentioned, everything would be the same. You will have to use this twice a day, because every one of us have acne scars, including me, because what we think does not happen always happen to our skin. Even though we may think that I have completed all the skincare routine, including applying a pimple cream and whatnot, even then we'll have, the acnes, they will leave a scar behind. Some might be, mild, and some might be, strong. So for that we will need a serum based product which actually fades away any scars. So for that, both the products are an excellent choice for for acne scars and marks. You can get your hands on both the products. Now it's my turn to choose between the alternatives, and as a YouTuber I should suggest you any one. I would suggest you the Derma Co, because irrespective of the same ingredients, same same results, the same price, I would suggest this because since I have used both these serums, so I'm in the stage of concluding it, because this is, even if I apply 2 to 3 drops, is completely more than enough to cover both my face and my neck. Of course I use serum all over my face irrespective of the places I have acne scars. I like to use the product completely because it also unclogs your pores. Okay, niacinamide helps to unclog your pores, so I use it all over my face. So similarly, I would also try this hand on hand. But the Mamaearth serum, it actually takes me about 8 to 10 drops of serum, while I can go it with only half the product. That is 4 to 5 drops would be more than enough for me to cover. So it gives wider coverage. So only for the coverage purpose I would choose, and I would recommend this Derma Co product. So anyways, both have common results, both have same price, and both are awesome. They are, they're mind-blowing in giving you results. So you can try both. If you are a Mamaearth fan, you can for sure you can purchase this. This is quite, it lasts longer. Only for the product to be lasting longer, I would suggest this, or else I'm not a hater of Mamaearth. I love all Mamaearth products. I guess I have completed my review with both the products. I have told you whatever I know about the product. If you like the product, you can go check it. I will leave the link in the description. And if you like the video, please like to my channel, and if you have any queries, you can for sure mention in the comment section, or you can text me personally in my Instagram. I would feel happy to reply you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Only then you will get product reviews whenever I upload a new video. Bye.